Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Guys, today we need to discuss about a simple deployment. We can use one of AWS services, and we can deploy our application so that we can maintain our time and we don't want to set up again all the infrastructure. So we are consuming everything in AWS services only. Like that service name is Elastic Beanstalk. Let me open some info. So this is the topic where today we are going to discuss how to set up and configure Elastic Beanstalk and deploy simple application. Today I am going to deploy already existing application only. I'm not developing any application so that we can easy to understand today topics. On tomorrow and after tomorrow I will try to implement one code and I will deploy using that code that I will show you. Okay, today we are going to understand like why we are using this and what is Elastic Beanstalk. So how we can deploy our application. So we don't want to set up any AWS, we don't want to set up any servers, like any infrastructure again. So we are just opening simple service and we are just configuring our application and deploying using that service. So just want to see my screen. We can read here. Developers are able to build and text and deploy the application. So this is common for all the application. Developers can build and test and deploy the application. Any microservices and monolithic, all the application, this is common. So developer can focus coding new feature instead of spending maintenance. This is the advantage of Elastic Beanstalk. So instead of spending maintenance time like configuring another servers and set up the new EC2 servers and maintain the other services, instead of that we can deploy using Elastic Beanstalk easily. So Elastic Beanstalk is fully managed service that simplify the process of deploying managing the application in AWS cloud. So this is the usage of Elastic Beanstalk mainly. And futures, come to futures. Coming to the futures, Elastic Beanstalk are automatically configured. These are the things it will configure automatically. See, if you required, we are configuring. Like for example, just assume manually, we are configuring load balancer, auto scaling, and other target groups are required services. We are configuring manually. So here we are maintaining time, so it will start whenever we are deploying application, we are configuring our application. It will create automatically load balancer and auto scaling whatever required services we have configured in that Elastic Beanstalk. It will automatically deploy using cloud formation. That I will show you whenever we are going to practice. So mainly Elastic Beanstalk are supported. These are the languages. Actually, Java, like Spring Boot, someone is using Node.js or PHP, Python. Mainly, these are the applications are using. So these are the languages are supporting Elastic Beanstalk. And application side, it will support Docker and Tomcat. So you can use any Docker containerize or monolithic of Docker wise application and supports continuous deployment, which means deploy your app every code changes. Here also we can do, for example, any new changes or comes, just developer can commit that code, it will trigger automatically for this also. Elastic Beanstalk also, we just deploy that new changes, then it will trigger automatically, it will apply that changes automatically. Then one more point, you can also set up the manual set, like see, this is a manual process, we don't want to go manually. So this is one of the another point mainly supports. It will two types of deployments, rolling deployment and blue green deployment. So we are anyway we are using rolling update. whenever server goes down, it will create automatically load balancer and auto scaling, it will handle that. And if your changes are wrong, it will automatically roll back your deployment if any deployment part fail. Though this is the mainly we are discussing today, so that every can understand and we can easily to deploy our sample application today. And tomorrow I will try to make one Spring Boot or Node.js some different code. Then I will try to deploy using my own code. Okay, then I will show you tomorrow that. Today we can go for this. I'm going to practical session. And if you need many other information, you can go to Google and search it. Mainly this was the understanding purpose. I just prepared some point. If you want, you can Google it, no issue. Okay, let me open my cloud. This is my cloud. Here is the elastic beanstalk. If you want, you can search just elastic beanstalk. Okay, and just create the application. This is the configuration. First step is configure environment and configure the service access, set up network and database. If you want to set up the database automatically, your application it will set up automatically database. Now I am not going to show you, only these two steps we are performing. And configure instance traffic, and this also we are performing. Currently we are not, this is optional, you can see this we are not performing for now. We need to set up everything if required for database and traffic networks, VPC level, that everything we can configure. As of now I'm going for this two only. And step number 6 is review and submit that application. So here you can see environment. Amazon Beanstalk been two types of environment supported, only support different type of web application. See, actually here it will support dev and prod, both environments it will support. Actually we are normally we are using testing and sit QA UAT production, all the environments, right? Here we can deploy dev and production, then it will support this running this application. API request also it will come automatically whenever your application got success, it will API will call this application. So worker environments means you can previously I mentioned, right, it will this elastic beanstalk it will support two things. One is Tomcat, one is Docker. Like worker environment you can schedule your cluster like that. Okay, we are going to sample web server. Just see here, modify the worker network database, remaining is same, only this step is changing. Just enter sample application. Okay, here environment I am just mentioning dev. Okay, domain here, see whenever you it will success this application deployment, right, it will create one domain automatically. Like if you want you can create separate domain for using load balancer, but elastic beanstalk it will it will provide one domain name also. That domain you can add your load balancer, and also that is very easy to monitor. And also description you can add anything, no issue. And platform type, you manager platform, this is the it will manage the elastic beanstalk everything. Select the C. Previously I mentioned these are the languages it will support your elastic beanstalk. Which one we can deploy? Okay, I'm going for Node.js. Tomorrow I will show you Java platform, that will be easy. So once you select, it will automatically select new change like new versions or platform version, platform branch, it will check automatically select. If you want you can select it, but I'm going to default. Here is the main sample application I'm deploying, right? If you want, you have another code, you just select and you can upload your code using to S3 also. We can see all the options next classes. Like today we are going to discuss about simple application for our knowledge purpose. Okay, here I'm just selecting free tier instance, single instance only. If you want, you can customize this application also. Custom configuration, once you click the custom configuration, it will go next, and here it will show. Here I will show you here it will show that whatever things you want, it will show here, then you can select it. I am going to single as of now, free tail application. Everything is same. Going to single instance. Here I am going to use create a new role, so that we need to create one IAM role. Like previously I mentioned, right, where we need to choose. Here you need to choose the EC2 pair and everything. It will take, if you are not choosing this, whatever your EC2 free tail, it will take automatically. So we need to create one more thing, IAM role, EC2 IAM instance we need to create. So it will go to this. If you create that IAM role, then it will automatically connect your all the cloud formation and whatever remaining AWS services we are doing, right? All the configuration it will automatically connect. So that we need to create elastic, sorry, you need to create one role. Go to select the EC2. Next, here we can search elastic, just enter. Sorry, we need to select Beanstalk. These three is sufficient. Web tier and worker tier and multi container. Go to next. Elastic Beanstalk dev. Okay, I'm going to creating my role. Okay, my role got created. Go here and refresh it. Just select role. Okay, create new service role and service role and choose AWS services. Going to next. Okay, remaining I'm skipping everything. Previously I mentioned, right, I don't want to go remaining these steps, database configuration, VPC and everything. Directly I'm going to this role I have selected, EC2 instance elastic beanstalk. Everything is good. Now I'm going to submitting. Role with the name elastic beanstalk service role is already exist. Okay, edit. Service dev, we just change the things, it will be now skip. Submit. So our elastic beanstalk is launching your environment. It will take some time, and you can monitor here. See, something is happening here. You can see it is starting. Go to health, it will show everything once it is done. Go to logs, no logs currently. Monitoring, everything is not there. Now we need to check the cloud formation. Go to cloud formation. Here we can understand what are the things are going on. Go to cloud formation, see creating in progress. Go here. Here you need to go events. Auto scaling. Auto scaling is launching. Elastic IP instance is launching, and instance is launching. Security groups are creating. Instance is done. Auto scaling is creating. Beanstalk method. Security group is done. EC2 is launching. So we can go for individual. Go to EC2 first. EC2. Go here. See, sample application dev is running automatically. I haven't created anything manually. It is creating automatically. T2 micro. Security group also it is automatically creating. IAM role also it is attaching automatically. We are not done any manual changes. It will done automatically using cloud formation. Go to go to load balancer. I think still load balancer is not creating. Go to auto scaling group. See here, auto scaling group is creating. Go to activity. 1 second, where we can go here. Auto scaling activity. I think activity only. Launching EC2 servers. Auto scaling group maximum. It will creating. It is creating automatically for this auto scaling group. Instance management. Here it is the in service. Okay, this is the way we can create one shot of cloud formation. One more thing I just want to show you. Go to cloud formation. Completed created, right? Here go to template, view designer. We click on this. It will show an architecture type of recording. See here. Somewhere it is there. Here. See, this is the elastic IP, elastic. Oh, sorry, where we can elastic launched easy to auto scaling. Auto scaling will creating. Then security group is going to creating instance and Beanstalk and elastic IP. Like it will create one architecture type of thing. So you can easy to understand for this. This is the way we can deploy. And now I'm going to my elastic Beanstalk. So my health check is success. Click on this. Now check the health check. Health check is okay. 4 minutes ago. So this is my domain name. Previously I told you, right, it will create elastic beanstalk, it will create automatically one domain. So my application, it is creating simple domain. Like I am just opening. See, my .NET application is deploying. no sorry Node.js application is deploying simple application. So this is how we can deploy our simple application. Like your code is manual, right? You just upload and choose the file in local machine. So this is how we can deploy using Elastic Beanstalk instead of going to management, like configuration things all remaining. Like whenever like any sample application we can go for this. I am also not recommended for this in production. Any sample application we can use it for this. Okay, so once your setup is done, and click on this, go to action, terminate the environment. You can add your name, terminate your application. Okay, let me show you cloud formation. So it is going to deleting time, but it will delete everything whatever it is creating. You can see here it is going to delete everything whatever you have created. Okay, that's it guys, today topic, and we can discuss remaining services is tomorrow. Thank you.